Greetings from Merrill Woods. Scarface is waiting patiently but very close to the food dish. As soon as other cat abandons the dish, Scarface will come in and get his share. He's one hungry cat. One thing about Scarface is he doesn't mind eating the dry food. He'll polish off dry food just like it was moist out of the can. He does like his food. These big toms, they take a lot of cat food to keep going. Felix cat will be a big old tom someday. Well, he won't be a tom because I'm going to alter him, but he'll be a big boy. We'll see how much he eats after he gets his testicles removed. I'd put him in the video, but he's nowhere to be seen. He doesn't compete for the food outside here. He waits until we get upstairs and eats his food. Please comment. I'd rather you comment than liking, actually. If you comment, I'll reply, and then I get 2 hits for the price of 1. So please comment. I need more watch time in order to monetize my channel. I've got the subscribers, I just need the watch time. And on shorts, it's pretty hard to get the watch time. Please watch until the end and comment. And have a great day. God bless.